they're telling me to put on, and it says do not cut the timing cover. Like, bro, this shit pisses me off so much. So now I have to buy a new front cover, and it's really frustrating, man. It sucks.
Martin had a dream. Martin had a dream. Kendrick have a dream. All my life I want money and power. Respect my mind or die from last child. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this nine is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and zoom, zoom, I'm racing. Popping pills in the lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you niggas is agent. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live.
This is where I'm at right now. I got the lower intake manifold on, the harness adapters and all that. Got the fuel rods assembled. Now I'm just gonna put the injectors in, and then I'm gonna put it onto the intake manifold, and we'll go from there. Just got back from Ford. Shout out to my boys sending me a care package because they know I messed up. Love those guys. What happened was this is what I cut off because that's what VMP told me. Oh my god, my hands. Interesting. This is what VMP told me to cut off. They told me to cut off this bracket for the pulley and right here. But now we got a new one, so it's okay. Out here freezing my ass off. Dark. But you know, we got the laptop out, the torque wrench out, and the light. And precision. Yes, sir. Okay, so I got the new front cover in, sealed and torqued, and then I started adding on the new VMP fed system. So this is the secondary pulley system, and as you can see, this is their new updated bracket. What they had me do originally is cut the front cover right here and cut it right here, and that would have allowed the old school pulley system to work. But apparently they have updated their part, but they don't update the workshop manual. So finally Ford sent me a new front cover. Shout out to those guys, thank you. And got it all in. Just need to wrap it up tomorrow. So now I'm just drilling the holes for the new reservoir for the heat exchanger, and I already got them marked up. So I'm just cutting my last 3 holes. Just gotta be careful for the radiator. Precision only. Now I can see if it fits, if it lines up. Boom, look at that. Precision only. Another late night in the shop, or aka my house. But finally got the front cover in, hose, secondary cooling system. Now I'm putting the valve covers, just cleaning everything up, and I'm about to put them in, torque it down. Oof, I'm tingling right now. But we're celebrating after. I don't know. This was a big mod. I can't stop shaking. Yeah, I'm super nervous, but we gotta turn it on now. Priming it. finishing up the heat exchanger, and I'm just tightening the 4 nuts that hold it together with the bolts that go through the crash frame, and then from there I'm gonna put the bumper back on. We're going back on, but the bottom grill, I think I want to take it off. Maybe for looks, maybe for performance, just to show off. I don't know, but I want to see how it looks. It's not a big difference, but I do like it. Modified the brakes.
Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud 9, and this 9 is never on vacation. Start up that mind